I'll Kiss Thee Yet Yet, or Bonnie Peggy Alison. Burns really didn't give this a title, so he wrote these lyrics, submitted them to Scots Musical Museum, marked with a Z, which meant there were some old words in them, which is probably the chorus here. And this tune is put it to an old dance tune, which may or may not have gone to that tune. He did a lot of mixing and matching, preserving the old music. Anyway, this is, if you saw this in a book, it's hardly a deathless lyric, and you'd go like, whatever, but it's all about the tune. It's, yeah. So words, sick means such, sick a moment, such a moment, seek ne me and ask no more, seek no more of heaven to share. Hansel is a New Year's gift or a good luck gift. This is a mouthful. Pray for me. I'll kiss thee yet, and I'll kiss thee o'er again, and I'll kiss thee yet, my bonnie Peggy Alison. Ilk Care Fear when thou art near, I ever mair defy them, oh. Young kings upon their hansel throne are no sae blest as I am, oh. Ilk Care Fear when thou art near, I ever mair defy them, oh. Young kings upon their hansel throne are no sae blest as I am, oh. I'll kiss thee yet, and I'll kiss thee o'er again, and I'll kiss thee yet, my bonnie Peggy Alison. When in my arms we are thy charms, I clasp my countless treasure, oh. I seek nae mair, oh, heaven to share than sic a moment's pleasure, oh. When in my arms we are thy charms, I clasp my countless treasure, oh. I seek nae mair, oh, heaven to share than sic a moment's pleasure, oh. I'll kiss thee yet, and I'll kiss thee o'er again, and I'll kiss thee yet, my bonnie Peggy Alison. And by thy een sae bonny blue, I swear I'm thine forever, oh. And on thy lips I seal my vow, and break it shall I never, oh. And by thy een sae bonny blue, I swear I'm thine forever, oh. And on thy lips I seal my vow, and break it shall I never, oh. I'll kiss thee yet, and I'll kiss thee o'er again, and I'll kiss thee yet, my bonnie Peggy Alison. That tune, The Breeze of Balquhidder, that was the title of a song by Robert Tannahill, which he probably wrote to that tune, and then it went into the folk tradition in Scotland and Ireland, and it really acquired a different sort of a melody, and then it was made from a passionate love song into a hippie anthem, pagan hippie anthem, where people can link arms and sway back and forth together and honor their Celtic roots. And when people want to honor their Celtic roots and they actually don't know anything about Scottish and Irish music, they always default to that song, Will You Go, Lassie, Go? Yeah. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel. I've got a playlist called Songs of Burns. I'm working on a book for many years now, trying to honor his intent and give you the best versions of his songs. The next one I do will be Rattlin' Roarin' Willie, which probably give me a good deal less trouble than this one, which is it's a tricky tune to sing. So a lot of these songs need better singers than me, and I'm really trying to model them for, I hope some young singers in Scotland will pick up on this, some of these versions, because some of the tunes have been polished and corrupted versions and never actually published with the tune sets from the books Burns was working with, that he wrote them to. He was quite a master of matching his imagery to existing tunes, which is a rare skill and not one that receives enough credit. I find it much easier to write my own melody to my words than to write to a melody. It's a different skill. Yeah, and there isn't a word. We have lyricists who just write, verses to meter, and then a musician puts them to music. To actually write to a melody is a different skill, and that lyricist has to understand music and melody. So that's what Burns was. That was his great skill, and I consider him a seminal genius of what I call impressionist songwriting, but that's another story. And this song is not the best example of that, and I'm going on too long.